This is a voiced consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word very, in the middle of the word heavy, at the end of the word move, and at the beginning and end of the word verve. Did you see how I make this sound? Watch my lip and my top teeth. V. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Very, heavy, move, verve. Okay. You may find it difficult to tell the difference between this voiced sound, v, and its voiceless partner, f. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiced sound first. Vault, fault, believe, belief, live, life. Now you try. Listen again and repeat. Vault, fault, believe, belief, live, life. Okay. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between this voiced sound at the beginning of very and another voiced sound which you can hear at the beginning of berry. Listen. Very, berry. If you can't hear the difference, look at the difference. Watch my lips and teeth. Very, berry. When I say very, my teeth are touching my lip. Very. When I say berry, my lips are tight together. Berry. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the sound v first. Very, berry, vet, bet, vote, boat, vowel, bowel. Now you try. Listen again and repeat. Very, berry, vet, bet, vote, boat, vowel, bowel. Okay.